Okay, good day viewers. Thanks for watching. Look at the question I have on the board. It says, a current of 10 ampere was passed for 1 hour through a solution of copper 2 sulfate between the copper electrodes. Which of the following observation will be correct? And we are giving 1 farad to be 96,500 coulombs. I, 0.186 mole of copper is dissolved from the anode. II, 0.372 mole of copper is deposited on the cathode. III, the original copper ion concentration of the solution remains unchanged. IV, the original copper ion concentration of the solution decreases. How do we know the correct one? Now, option A says I and II. Option B says I and III. Option C says I and IV. And option D says II and III. First of all, we have copper sulfate here. Now, solution, this is copper sulfate, right? And this thing now, ionic equation of this is copper 2 plus SO4, 2 minus. But we're talking about copper itself, right? Which is this. So what do? Copper, 2 ion, it loses 2 electrons, and it will give us neutral copper, right? So from here to here, this thing means 2 times 96,500 coulombs, and here is what? 64 gram of copper. So what do? What do you do then? But don't forget that we are giving 10 ampere. We are giving what? 10 ampere, and for 1 hour. So here we have our time, 1 hour. And this 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. I've taught you how to convert, right? 60 times 60 will give you 3,600. Now, next is what? Current. Our current here is 10.0 ampere, right? So, quantity is equal to I times T. So, quantity here is equal to 10 times 3,600. Calculator, fast. This will give us 36,000. We have 36,000 coulombs, right? Then we say if 2 times 96,500 coulombs, if 2 times 96,500 coulombs gives what? 64 gram of copper. But we have to consider mole since we don't have gram here. And 64 gram of copper, 1 mole of copper gives 64 gram of copper, right? So having known this now, this is what? 1 mole of copper. Since this gave 1 mole of copper, how many mole will that 6,000 coulombs will give? So what will we do? This is 2 times 96,500 over that 6,000 equals to 1 over x. So x is equal to that 6,000 over 2 times 96,500. S, what do we have? What do you have, calculator? What do you have? What do you have? 0 point what? 186 what? 5 mole of what? Copper, right? Now go back to your option. Option I says 0.186 mole of copper is dissolved from the anode. This one is correct. III 0.372 is wrong. III, the original copper ion concentration of the solution remains unchanged. IV, the original copper ion concentration of the solution decreases. That is wrong. It's not true. So the answer is I and III. So where do we find it? B. So the answer is what? B. Have you seen how we got the answer? So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Thanks.